Today we are going to have dinner. 3 Michelin star at Japanese and French cuisine fusion in Hong Kong.
Người cóมีสตอรี่นะ
Bread is very and enjoy with house-made butter and house-made ricotta cheese with olive oil.
This is the first course of our tasting menu tonight. Japanese clam called Hokki clam. Very big type of clam with rich umami and natural sweetness. And we make fricassee with baby carrot and mori mushroom from Yunnan, China. And sauce is made from Hokki clam juice infused with mushroom and bacon and add butter. And top with crispy carrot dante. It's kind of carrot chips. So please break chips and enjoy.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
น้ำสุกแล้ว
หอยปีกนกต้มมาตลอด
Hello, good evening. I'm Hawin. I'll be presenting your next course. It's our signature homemade pasta. Tossed with now with seaweed butter. Top is fresh Hokkaido uni. I recommend you mix everything well and enjoy.
This course is crispy paella with Japanese kegani crab. Paella is that the Spanish rice dish. I take the best part of paella, so half burn the bottom. So I cook the rice with crab broth with saffron and make crispy rice cracker and stuff with kegani crab meat. Tossed with bell pepper sauce called ruyu and serve with tomato salad. And first please take the lemon and squeeze on the paella and enjoy with the hand or cutlery. And then later please enjoy the tomato for refreshing.
So next is a French classic. It's a pot of twist of Chef Sato. It's a chicken consomme made from breast chicken, served with daikon radish, carrot, and savoy cabbage, stuffed with minced meat, which is breast chicken and pork, and shaved with black truffle. Chef suggests you to consomme vegetable together. Thank you.
This is main course today, and my favorite pork from south of France called Noir de Bigorre. Very clean flavor and rich umami, very aromatic fat. For bring out this character, first we roast it and then grill on the butt side. And serve with shredded horseradish on the top. And garnish today is the house-made cauliflower sauerkraut and potato puree and the smoked beetroot mustard. Please enjoy.
With sweet sake, sour no hana, bon Michel from Nagano. This sake is created by listening to the Beatles' classic song Michelle. It has a light taste and low alcohol.
For the first dessert, our chef is inspired by the similarity of the aroma of mangosteen and also Japanese sake. So on the plate you see a teardrop shape. That one is raspberry twill. Inside we have coconut sorbet and also sake. On top is fresh mangosteen and also raspberry. So on inside the shot glass we have fruit consomme. It's made with mangosteen, raspberry, and also infused with roses. And then we finish with a double. Second dessert is Japanese pecan and also pistachio tart. Base is a pistachio. That one is a pistachio.
Japanese gin from Cuba. It is a gin with tea flavor.
Oh.
Sato is considering pistachio has tea flavor. That's why so we arrange this combination. So of course itself is a very strong. We add some water and ice. Enjoy together. Thank you.
Tangerine เขาได้3 ดาวมาจาก pairing dessert นี่ไม่ใช่สาเกนะเหมือน
จิน
ลิคเคอร์เลย
ไม่มันคือจิน เกียวโต เกียวโตดรายจินพาริง
ไม่มีเลยรู้สึ
เขา
ก
ผสมน้ำมาเขาผสมน้ำกับไอซ์มา
So small dessert at the end. We have a pandan infused.
Pandan
Yeah, ใบเตย
แต่ว่าอะไร
ใบเตย